Dear students, greetings and welcome to the graphics class. Today we are discussing the second question of development of surfaces. It is about a hexagonal prism. It is not simply the development of a hexagonal prism. The question is like this. There is a hexagonal prism resting on HP such that one base edge is kept parallel to VP. An ant starts moving from one bottom base corner to the opposite top base corner of the hexagonal prism. You have to trace the path of that ant in the front view. That is what asked in the question. You can see that this is the front and top view of the hexagonal prism. I have kept one base edge parallel to VP. Why I have kept one base edge parallel to VP? Because the ant starts moving from one corner base, or one base of the bottom base corner to the opposite top base corner. So this is the path. So in order to show all the details, I have to keep one base edge parallel to VP. If I am keeping one base edge perpendicular to VP, I can see only two lateral sides in the front view, which won't give you the complete idea of the movement of the ant. That's why I am keeping one base edge parallel to VP. Now you can imagine that it is starting from A1 dash and it is reaching D dash, or it is starting from D1 dash and reaching A dash. Both are possible. Now, you cannot straight away draw a straight line. Why? Because you know these two surfaces, or you can consider say A1, F1, it is already inclined. You can see this is a small portion. This is not the actual dimension of the solid. So you cannot have simply a straight line there, and that cannot be the path of the ant. So I am going, first of all, you have to draw the development. In the development, you can draw a straight line. That is the shortest path traveled by the ant. So we will start drawing the development. How to draw the lateral development? Just like I explained in the last problem, here it is a hexagon. One side of base is given as 20 mm. So 6 into 20, that is equal to 120 mm is the length of the development. So first of all, you have to draw a line of 120 mm along this XY line, or at the level of XY line. Consider this as the height. So based on the height and the length as 120 mm, that is 6 into 20. You are drawing, this is the height is given as 55. In the question it is given. So that is the height. Okay. So you have completed the development of the hexagon, lateral development of the hexagon. As we know, we have to divide it into 6 equal parts. That is very simple. Already you are having 20 mm as the length. So each distance can be taken as 20, and you can divide it into 6 equal parts. Okay. Now we can name, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. Again it is A. Here it is A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1 and A1. Now, I have told you that the ant is moving from either A1 to D1, D or D1 to A. Both are possible because it is starting from a bottom base corner to the opposite top base corner. So assume that it is starting from A1 to D. So A1 to D means there are two possibilities. It can go starting from A1, it may touch FF1, EE1, then it can reach D, or to the through the back side it can travel through starting from A1, touching BB1, CC1, and it can reach D. If it is passing through starting from A1 and touching FF1, EE1, then it is reaching D. It is visible to the observer. That is, it is starting from A1, touching FF1, EE1, and reaching D. That is visible to the observer. It should be a straight line. Then only it will become the shortest path. But the other one is also possible. That is, it is starting from A1, then touching BB1, CC1, and DD1. It is an invisible path. So you can have a hidden path we can show, which is reaching starting from A1 to B. Both are possible. Now, we can show this particular path on front view. That is the question. The final answer of the question is how to draw this particular path in the front view. For drawing that, you have to find out the required points. So, you can select the points as along BB1 you are getting 1, along CC1 you are getting 2. Similar points you will get the other side also. It is exactly a mirror image. So 1 will be here, that is when it is traveling from A1, it initially reaches 1, then it reaches 2. These points we have to show on the front view. For that you have to draw the projectors. From 1 you are drawing a projector which will come along BB1, this is 1 dash. Even if you are drawing from this particular one, that will also exactly on FF1. So 1 dash is exactly this particular point. From 2 you can have another line. That will also, even if you are starting from the same, this particular 2, that will also reach here. So along EE1 you will get the next one. So now we can complete this drawing. So starting from A1 dash, it will reach 1 dash. From 1 dash it is going to 2 dash. Then it is going to D dash. So it is step by step. If you are drawing a straight line, it is not the exact path. Now, after drawing the development and then transferring it to the front view, you are getting the exact path of ant. This is the shortest path traveled by the ant. You can practice this problem. Thank you.